YouTube. Most of us use it to watch various fun and interesting videos every single day, but in this tutorial, I will show you how you can make money by using this platform. You won't need any video editing skills, you won't be investing a dime into this, and as you know, YouTube works in most countries around the globe. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so we will be using YouTube today in order to make a lot of money online. Now, right off the bat, it won't require any video editing skills for this. You won't be creating any great-looking thumbnails, nothing like that. I will show you how you can make money with YouTube even if you're a complete beginner with no skills. I'll show you how you can build your YouTube channel from scratch by using just one free tool, which I will show you later on in the video. With all of that said, let me show you the first YouTube channel today that's making an insane amount of money. This channel is called Life Hacks and Experiments, and the owner of this channel is literally making thousands upon thousands of dollars every single day. And here's the best part. There is literally nothing complicated in any of these videos, nor are they long videos for that matter. This person is basically recording himself running over various items with his car, and that's literally it, believe it or not. All of his videos are made in that fashion. Just running over various items with this car. And there are several reasons why you would want to create these types of videos, guys. For starters, they get hundreds of thousands of views at the very least, and millions of views at the most. The most popular video on this channel got nearly 300 million views, which is just mind-blowing. This one here got 130 million, 104 million. These are just insane numbers, just like I said. That, of course, means this has huge potential to make you a lot of money if you can create these videos. Now, the next reason you'll want to create them is, simply put, because it's easy. All of the videos you see here are around 2 minutes long, and you can watch some of them to see how they look, but basically there are no fancy intros or outros that require skills to create. These videos just consist of short 5 to 10 second long clips all compiled into a single video, and as such you don't need any expensive software like Sony Vegas, nor do you need any particular skills either. And I'll show you free options that you have to create these compilations easily. Moreover, the thumbnails are also very easy to make. They're just photos of some of the things he will run over with his car in the video, so you won't need Photoshop, for example, to create them. Even the logo is a simple question mark, and so is the cover. Now, I did mention that these videos do get big views, and if you come over to Social Blade, you can see exact details on how much money this person has made, how many views the channel has gotten thus far, and so on. According to this site, the channel I showed you is making between $17,000 and $280,000. Now, from my experience, the numbers are generally in between, but it's safe to say this person makes over $150,000 every single month. So as you can see, this has enormous potential. Moreover, if we scroll down, we can see that the number of views in the past month is just over 70 million. Now, I have to emphasize that you simply won't be getting these kind of numbers, so don't have unrealistic expectations. But you don't need these kinds of numbers in order to make a decent amount of money, and I can guarantee you that at the very least, you will be getting thousands of views. Now, thanks to Social Blade, we can also estimate how much money this person has made in total thanks to the number of views we can see up here, which is nearly 3.4 billion. The CPM, or amount of money earned per every 1,000 views, is most likely $2. And so from my estimate, this person has most likely made over $6.5 million, guys, by just making these very simple videos, which is just crazy when you think about it. However, I know many of you will be thinking that this channel is the exception, and this is just a lucky individual, but that's actually not the case in any way, shape, or form. This is yet another channel I want to show you that's doing something very similar and making similar amounts of money. That channel is called True or False Experiments. Now, the main reason I'm showing you this channel is to prove to you that you don't need a car in order to get those kinds of numbers you saw before. This person, as you can see, is recording videos of himself putting various items in a meat grinder or motorcycle exhaust, and his videos are all getting very decent views as well. The most popular video having just over 80 million views, as you can see. But check this out. This person has also recorded those very same videos as the previous channel, running over various items with his car too, and they also got millions of views. The point here is that these videos are very entertaining and sometimes very satisfying to watch, and people, simply put, love them. And that means you have a big chance to earn a lot of money by making them, especially since you don't need any expensive recording equipment, nor do you need any special video editing software and skills as well. The thumbnails are also very simple and easy to make, just like with that previous channel, and so is the logo and cover too. Now, if you come over to Social Blade, you will see that this channel is also making a huge amount of money, between $12,000 and $20,000. So it's safe to assume that this person is making over $100,000 a month, with the total number of views at just over 1 billion. And if you scroll down, you will see that the amount of views gained in the last month is 50 million, which is not that much lower than the previous channel. With all of that said, guys, let me now show you what you will need to use in order to make these kinds of videos. For recording, you can most definitely start off with your phone. As for the time being, you won't need an expensive camera whatsoever. Now, as far as what you need for video editing, I have two options for you. The first one is called Clideo.com. On here, you can create those compilations you saw earlier. All you need to do is click on Video Maker, and then you will open up all of your clips that you have recorded, and you can create a compilation that you will then just download to your PC. Now, the second option as far as video editing is concerned is a software I showed in my previous video, which is none other than OpenShot, over at their site openshot.org. If you don't want to bother downloading and installing any software, then you can use Clideo, but I would recommend OpenShot since it does offer you a bit more video editing options. Now, once you finish your videos, in order to upload them, what you need to do is just click on this icon and then click on Upload Video. And from there, YouTube will take you over to the studio from where you will find and open your video, and that's it. Now, by far, the hardest part about this strategy is getting those views at the very beginning. That is the biggest problem you will be facing, and so I highly advise you use Vidic. This is a tool that will allow you to get views on YouTube, as you can see. And while it does have some pricing options, you don't need to pay them in order to get views on your YouTube channel. Vidic will be immensely helpful to you guys in the very beginning, as is always the case with any YouTube channel. But as you've seen, people love those videos, and those two channels I showed you get millions upon millions of views every single day. And while you won't be getting any big numbers in the beginning, I can guarantee that after some time, you most definitely will. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.